Hey guys, Jonathan here. I'm going to show you how to connect your Yamaha DTX drums to your computer so you can record sound. So what you probably could do is buy that MIDI cable that's almost $100. That's a ridiculous price for a cable. Okay, so here's what you need. You need a aux cable, which looks like this, and then you need a 3.5mm to stereo plug. I'll put these two things in the description so you can check them out. You can pretty much buy these anywhere. I got these two things at Fred Meyer. They're in the electronics section. They're pretty easy to find. Okay, so you put one end of the aux cable into this, and then this will plug into the side of your DTX module into the headphone port. And this end goes in the microphone port on your computer. And then what you do from there is you press the record button and then start playing and then stop the recording, and it should record all of your sound. Okay guys, that was my tutorial on how to record sound from your Yamaha DTX drums. I will see you later.